स्वागत है आपका दी पॉइंट में। आप लोग ठीक ठाक हैं और ऐसी उम्मीद करता हूं कि मैं आप लोग ठीक ठाक हूँ। अभी तक जो भी हमने इंडियन पॉलिटी में पढ़ाया वो आप लोगों ने रिवीजन कर लिया होगा और समझ भी लिया होगा। आज का क्लास जो है मैथ्स का है, इंडियन पॉलिटी का नहीं है, मैथ्स का क्लास है। मैथ्स में क्वांट सेक्शन में, इन द क्वांट सेक्शन, in whichever exam you appear, there will be a quant section. Okay, there will be a quant section. Okay, there will be a quant section like banks, IBPS, regional rural bank. Okay, insurance exams. Okay, so there will be a quant section like in prelims exam IBPS there is a 35 marks quant for 20 minutes. Okay, so 35 questions you have to do in 20 minutes in the IBPS prelims exam. Okay, so for that this is the first class. 2-3 things I will tell you which you have to by heart. Okay, 1 to 50 tables you have already learned. 1 to 20 in the class. Okay, whenever you were in class you have learned 1 to 20. Okay, so more than 1 to 20 you have to learn it 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Okay, by heart you have to do it 1 to 50. 1 to 20 generally you have learned in your classes. After 20 if you not learning 1 to 50, I will say you learn it by heart 1 to 50. If you are not able to learn, then prime numbers table like 23, 29, 31, 37, okay, 41, 42, 43, okay, 44, 45, 46, 47, okay. Then these tables, prime numbers tables, you by heart at least. These tables will help you in solving the exams. There are questions in IBPS exams, 10 marks, simplification and approximation. Simplification and approximation. That I will tell you next class how to solve this simplification and approximation. If you know these tables, other things I will also tell you. If you know these tables will help you in solving this 10 question in at least 5 minutes. Okay, so these tables you have to by heart. So next thing is square roots, square and square roots. So today I will tell about squares only. Okay, so 1 to 50 squares you have to by heart. Okay, just pay attention. Just tell me 1 का square 1, 1 का square 1, 2 का square 4, 3 का square 9, 4 का square 16, 5 का square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Okay, there is no problem up to 10. Now 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225. Okay, then 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. Okay, so these you already know these squares because in school times or wherever you have learned math at least up to 10th, then also you should know these squares up to 20. These are by heart to you. Then 21 to 50. Okay, 21 to 50 you have to remember. I will tell you how to remember. Okay. So I am rubbing this. (21 square 441). Okay. Now suppose 22 square you want to drive. This is, I am telling you the simple multiplication procedure also. Okay. By this you can find out squares. Okay. But during exams I will suggest you remember it. 2-3 times you will do and practice, you will remember. Because exam time there is a competition, you will not have that much time to calculate. Okay. So simple 2 2 ja 4. Okay. Then 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 4 8. Then this multiplication. 2 2 2 ja 4. So 22 square will be 484. Clear? This multiplication part is clear. First this will be multiplied. This one 2 2 ja 4. Okay. Next 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 4 8. Then next 2 2 ja 4. Okay. So 484. You remember it. Okay. It will not. You will not have that much time in exam to calculate this. Otherwise, in other things, this multiplication procedure will help you. There is three digit multiplication also you can do. That I will explain you in the next class. Okay. There is a square class 23. 23 I will tell you how to do 23. 3 3 ja 9. Okay. This first one. Just pay attention here. So that this thing will be clear to you. 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Then this thing 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 ka 2 carry 1. Then again this 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. Okay. So 23 square is 529. Okay. Then again 24 square. Same procedure you do. 24. 4 4 ja 16. Carry 1. 4 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17. 17 का 7. 4 4 ja 16 हो गया. Then carry 1. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. 576. Then 25 square. 25 you can do by this process also. Otherwise, wherever there is a number like this, in 5 in the end. 5 5 ja 25. You increase 1. 2 plus 1 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Here 3 2 ja 6. Increase 1 in any of these two and multiply. Then you directly you write 3 2 ja 6. So 625 will be square. Okay. So wherever comes like this, suppose 35. If you take 35, then 5 5 ja 25. 1 increase 4 3 ja 1. Okay. So 35 will be 1225. In the end, if 5 is there, then you can do like this. Otherwise, you can do like this also. Okay. Suppose 25 25 25. 5 5 ja 25. Carry 2. 5 2 ja 10 plus 5 2 ja 10. How much? 20. 20 plus 2 22. Right here 2. Carry 2. 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 6. Same it will come. So this is easier method. Okay. This is easier method. So 625. Okay. (26 square). 26 26 6 6 ja 36. Carry 3. 6 2 ja 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 24 plus 3 27 7. Carry remaining 2. 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 6. So 26 square 676. Okay, clear? Then 27 square, do like this only. 27, 27, 7 7 ja 49. Okay, 49 carry 4, 14, 7 2 ja 14 plus 14, 28 plus carry 4, 32 carry 3, 2 2 ja 4 3 7. So 27 square will be 7 29. Okay, then come here 28. You pay attention this multiplication, this will help you in calculation, other as well as in the simplification and approximation. So 28, take this 28, 8 8 ja 64. Okay, carry 6, 8 2 ja 16 plus 8 2 ja 16, 16 32 plus 6 38. Okay, so right here 8 carry 3, 2 2 ja 4 3 784. Okay, 784. Then 29 square, 29 square, do like this only. 9 9 ja 81. Okay, 9 9 ja 81 carry 8, 9 2 ja 18 plus 18 36 plus 8 कितना, how much is 4 4. Okay, 44. So 4 carry 4, 2 2 ja 4 plus 4 8. So 29 square is 840, 841. 30 square is 900. So up to 30 we have completed this. You can remember 2-3 times you will practice, you can remember it. You should have by in memory these things. Okay, so now come to the next is 31. Okay, 31 square, 31 30, 1 बन जा 1, 3 plus 3 6, 3 3 जा 9. Okay, 961. Then 32, you should remember it. What is 32? 32 you should remember it. 1024, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 12 carry 1, 3 3 ja 9 1 1024. 32 square is 1024. Then 33 square, 33 square. Okay, 33 square is 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 plus 9 18, 18 8 carry 1, 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10. So 33 square is 1089. Okay, 34 square, same way you do. 34 34, 4 4 ja 16 carry 1. Okay, 4 3 ja 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 plus 1 25, 5 का 5 carry 2, 3 3 ja 9 to 11. So what is the square? 1156. बोलो 1156. Then 35 square, I have already told you 35, 5 5 ja 25, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, 1 2 2 5. 35 square completed. Okay, so next it will come 36. 36 same way you practice it. 36 6 6 ja 36 carry 3, 6 3 ja 18 plus 18 is equal to 36 plus 3 39. Okay, carry 3, 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 12, 1296, 1296. Then 37 square. Okay, do it same way. Same way you do it with me so that you can practice it. You have already read it in your school time, but you need a practice. Okay, so you practice with me. 7 7 ja 49 carry 4, 7 3 ja 21 plus 21. How much it is? 42, okay, carry 4, 46, okay, then carry 4 again, remaining 3 3 ja 9 plus 4 13, okay, 7 7 ja 49, carry 4, 7 3 ja 21 plus 21 42 plus 4 46 का 6, carry 4, 3 3 ja 9 plus 4 13, so 1 3 6 9, then 38, okay. 38 square, 38 38, 8 8 जा 8 8 जा 8 8 जा 64, 64, carry 6, 8 3 जा 24 plus 24, what will be 48 plus 6 54, so write here 4, carry 5, 3 3 ja 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 14, okay, so it will become 1 4 4 4, then 39 square, same way you do it, by the time you complete it you will be practiced more, okay. 39 9 9 ja 81, carry 8, 9 3 ja 27 plus 27 54 plus at 62 का 2, carry 6, okay, 3 3 ja 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 6 15, so this square will be 15 21, then 40 square is 1600, okay. So for you these 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40, you learn this calculation, 2-digit direct calculation, and meanwhile you learn these squares, okay. It is very compulsory in the quant paper to have by learned by heart squares up to 50, then square roots also, that I will take in next class, how to take a square root of a number, then cubes up to at least up to 20 cube roots and cubes you should remember it. These are the basic requirements for any quant section exam. 41 square is 1681, okay. You can try by calculating it. 41 1 4 4 8 1 6 8 1, okay. Then I will write here 42 1764, okay. 43 18 4 9, 44 square 19 36, okay. Then 45 square 20 25, I have told in multiplication method also, 2025, then 46 square 2116, 47 square 2209, 48 square 2304, 49 square 2401, and 50 square 2500, okay. So up to 2500, I mean from 1 to 50 square, you have to by heart, you practice it on calculator or somewhere else, you keep on practicing tables up to 50 and squares up to 50, okay. Then square roots and cube roots and cube I will tell you in next class with how to do single digit multiplication, okay, in the easy method, okay. The one thing I forgot you to tell you to subscribe the channel, because at the last I forgot, so you subscribe the channel for the next class so that you will get the notification, okay. I forgot to tell you in initial also and at the last also, and you don't do it, okay. So this time you do it, okay. Thanks a lot.